Once upon a time, there was a tortoise named Shelly, who lived near a peaceful river. Shelly was known for being wise and calm. Every day, Shelly would go to the river bank to enjoy the sun and listen to the sound of the flowing water. One day, a group of frogs came hopping to the river, looking worried. They said, "The water in the river is drying up, and soon we won't have anywhere to live." Shelly thought for a moment and then replied, "Don't worry, my friends. Let's all work together to find a solution." The frogs looked confused, but they trusted Shelly. Shelly suggested that they dig a small pond near the river. The pond will fill up with water, and even if the river dries up for a while, you'll still have a safe place to live. The frogs quickly started digging with their feet, but it was hard work. Shelly, with her strong shell, helped them by pushing the dirt away with her slow but steady movements. After hours of work, they finally made a small pond. Soon, it started filling with water from the river. The frogs were overjoyed and thanked Shelly for her wisdom. "You saved us, Shelly," they croaked happily. Shelly smiled and said, "When we work together and stay calm, we can solve any problem." Moral: working together and staying calm can help overcome any challenges. The boy who cried wolf. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy who looked after the sheep. Every day, he would take the sheep to the hills to graze. He was bored and wanted to have some fun. One day, he thought of a plan to amuse himself. He ran down the hill shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" The villagers heard him and came running to help. But when they arrived, they found no wolf. The boy laughed, saying, "It was just a joke." The villagers were angry and told him not to cry wolf if there was no danger. However, the boy found it so funny that he did the same thing again the next day. "Wolf! Wolf!" he shouted, and again. The villagers rushed to help, only to find out it was a trick. They were furious. A few days later, a real wolf appeared near the sheep. Terrified, the boy cried, "Wolf! Wolf!" But this time, the villagers thought he was lying and did not come to help. The wolf attacked the sheep, and the boy could do nothing to stop it. The boy learned a hard lesson that day. If you lie too often, people will not believe you when you tell the truth.